Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today my video is about contractions. It's that moment that you know you have a contractions and when you know you have to go to the hospital. I know it's a lot of confusion, especially if you're first time mom. You're here, I get you. I've been there, and not because it's my second pregnancy, I understand all, because every pregnancy is truly different. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so let's get going. Hello, okay, so how to track your contractions at home. This video is a review video about this product that I am speechless about it. I think it's such a good idea. I didn't know about this product when I was pregnant with my son Asher, and I wish I knew it. So first, it saved me a lot of money because I went to the ER 2 times, thought I was in labor when I wasn't in labor, and understand what is the real contraction and what is the Braxton Hicks contraction. This is my Bloomlife box. It's a rental box. I'll show you guys my box. Okay, so this is a rental box that contains a device that's going to track your contraction. This device is going to send the data to your cell phone, and then you're going to have all the information, how many contractions you have per minute and apart. You're going to have tons of information that's going to make you understand what's going on with your body. This is the little device that comes. This is the little device. It's very safe to use at home. It's safe for mommy and for the baby, so don't worry about it. Oh, I'm gonna put something in my belly, and don't worry about it. It's safe. So now I'm gonna show you guys what is inside the box. Use the ready fill a couple times, and I have on my phone all the informations. Actually, my doctor started asking me how many contractions I have and if I know, and every day using this device makes me more like exactly to tell her everything what's going on. So this is the box. When you open the box, and then here you're gonna have the device. As you can see, inside you're gonna have patches. This is actually the stickers that you're gonna put your device on it, and you're going to stick in your belly. So your box is gonna come with 5 patches like that. As you guys can see, I already have used the one. You can use this up to 4 times, and this comes inside of this box. And then you're going to take your Bloomlife device, as you guys can see it, and then you're going to stick in here. So you're gonna hear a click. That is when here, yeah, you guys can see clear. See, so going to take, because this is a sticker, has a gel in here, and then you're going to put in your belly. So now you're going to take it apart. Yeah. So now you're going to imagine 3 fingers below your belly button here. And then you're gonna take a blue line and okay, 3 fingers, and then put it here. Yeah. So you guys can see. Okay, so after you put the Bloomlife device in your belly, you're going to grab your phone. And you're going to download the app. Simple, the same as putting this on your belly. It's very simple. Here is the app. It start, and it's gonna start to calibrating. Yeah, you're good to go. Gonna give you right informations and everything that you need to know. So I'm gonna show you guys my last section I did. You guys can see a little bit how it is inside. So I am gonna answer a few questions that I got about this device. Yeah, it's a rental. You use device for a period of time until you have your baby, and then you send back to them. It's pretty simple. They will explain to you everything in here, how you send it back. Second question I got, why I chose to use the Bloomlife. Peace of mind and make me understand more about what's going on in my body. I don't need to rush to the hospital. I know when I'm having contractions, and I think it's really worth it. Third question I got is for how long you use your device. So I always wear the patch for 1 hour, so this gives me a time to see how it goes, if I have consistent contractions or it's just go up and down. Give all the information in the end, so I recommend you use for at least 1 hour, and you sit down in your couch in your bed and just relax and let the pump stay let the device check if you have contractions, if they are consistent or not, and you go from there. So another question I got is how when you should get your rental. I think around 34 weeks is the best time, because you know when you're really having the Braxton Hicks contractions, so when your body start really get ready for labor. So I am 34 weeks and 6 days. I've been using mine for a week now, and every single day I use for 1 hour. And I did have, the first time I used, I did have an hour. In 1 hour I had a few contractions, but they were like 20 minutes apart, so it was not a concern. It was not really painful. I couldn't feel it, but it was not like, oh, I am going labor. And that's why I say it's so worth it, because they don't, knowing what is going on, will make you calm and you're not gonna freak out. Because I remember with my son Asher, when I was pregnant, I used to freak out because I was like, oh my god, I am have contractions, my water gonna broke, and I'm gonna have this baby, I'm gonna go to the doctor, and it's kind of like frustrating for you. Don't have much information about it. So this time around I am really glad that I can use Bloomlife and have this kind of peace of mind. So this is pretty much for my video. It's just my opinion and my review for you guys. And if you guys have any questions, just leave in the comments. And from now I'm going to every single night when I use the Bloomlife document everything on my Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can know more, and I'm gonna be answering questions there too, because I know a few of you have questions, and I know a lot of people that follow me, they're pregnant too, so this is very exciting. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, follow me, get to know each other. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.